Okay guys, so welcome back. Second video here, second episode. In the first episode I showed you how to, or you saw me removing the casing of this unit, and yeah, removing the brewing mechanism. In the meantime, I have cleaned this one, but we still have to clean the valve inside, and also made a little bit of research regarding this defect. Looks like to be a common defect on this type of units, and it usually has to do with the unit not being descaled. And for sure, there are three culprits. Either one of the pipes are clogged, or the brewing mechanism valve is clogged, or the piston over here has a problem. So three main issues could be here. So first of all, I think the easiest way. First of all, let's clear this and remove any doubt that here we have a problem. So here we have to remove this screw. Be really careful not to lose this screw, because this is a stainless steel screw, and if you use a different one, then you will have rust. And here is this metal part, which, look at this. I don't know if you can see, this is coffee, black coffee. Look at this. So here are really small holes on which the water is coming. I don't know if you can see, some of the holes are still visible, but some are clogged. So we will need for sure to clean this. Yeah. And here as well, we have this valve over here, which for sure has to be cleaned. Yeah. Okay, so this will be cleaned afterwards. Let's put it on the side. Hopefully we will not lose any of these parts. And yeah, go ahead and try to test here the pump and everything. So here we have the pump, and then the pump goes into this distributor. Then through this hose goes to this unit over here, and then the water is coming through this link into this pipe, which goes all the way, not this one, this one goes all the way here, up here, which actually is the one that provides water to the piston. So basically, if we remove this retainer, actually I will move the camera over there so you can see better what I'm doing. Okay, so we are here. I was telling you that this is the hose that comes directly from the pump into the piston. So we can remove this retainer over here. Yeah. put it aside. And here is the actual hose, which we can test if we have pressure. If we have water coming out of this hose over here, then this means that the pump is working and everything else is working. So for this, we will take a bottle and put this hose over here. Yeah. And of course, we need to connect back the main control board. Like so. Of course, we need to connect all the accessories, so yeah. Otherwise, it will not work for us. So first this one, and then the water tank over here. As such. Good. So water bottle over here. Let's connect it to the mains. We have our display here, powering on. Power on. Ah, we forgot to put this. So for the time being, let's just put it as it was. Please insert infuser, of course. We will do so right now. Of course, for this, we have to remove the water tank. Let's stop the unit. Okay, so my table is small for this type of okay. We connected it. Let's put the water tank back again. All right. Hose here. Now we can power it on. Okay. Okay, rinsing. So yeah, we have water here. Turning off. Okay, so we have water over here. We excluded any pump issues and other stuff. Yeah. We have to remove this piston over here, which in my opinion is the problem maker. Okay. Let's remove this panel and all the accessories, water tank, drip tray. As you can see, no more water, of course, because we removed this over here, and this didn't allow the water to go into the piston. So the problem is somewhere in this area over here. Let's see. This is over here. We can remove this. As said, we will clean this part afterwards. And we will clean, of course, of any coffee over here. But for now, let's try to remove this this piston over here. So how to do that? First, we disconnect this part. Then we need to disconnect here. Yeah, hopefully you can see this. There are 2 screws over here and then 2 screws over here. So all the hoses. Yeah. For this we will need a smaller Torx. Even smaller. Even smaller. Come on. Like such. One and 2. Or do we? Well, let's see. Okay. There's a O-ring over here, so let's hope we will not lose it. It's already wants to fall, so I will put it aside. Let's don't forget to put it back. Also, O-ring it's over here, and there is here another hose. So I prefer to remove it like so I can remember where they sit initially. Okay. So there is a valve here with a spring. Okay, interesting. And here is the actual coffee that is coming. The nozzle for the coffee. So let's see how we are removing this. Really hard to work like this. So this one I will detach the hose as well. Okay. And here the switch. Here one. And the second one. Well, they look the same, so therefore I will use a marker to mark them out. So this one and this one. So this is the upper wire. Okay. And now let's try and disconnect this piston. We have two screws over here. Hopefully you can see, yeah. So here on the left side. And the second one. And oh, this is crazy. How is this coming out, huh? Okay, and here we have a hose. Oh, this is really dirty, which we can disconnect. Oh my god, so dirty. And yeah, we have it out. As far as I can see, I think I already found the problem. Look at this O-ring. Look at this. This is already broken and really loose. Huh? Look. Yeah. Okay, so I will clean this up. Also this, and as I said, the brewing mechanism. I will clean the part over there. Yeah. Here, this hose is, yeah, this hose from here, it's actually coming into this dip tray, right in this part over here. It's so difficult for you to show you. So I think this we can also remove. and try to clean. Oh, come on. Look how dirty it is. Look, it should be clear like this, and it's crunchy inside. There's a lot of coffee, hardened coffee. Okay, so to be honest, I don't know if I have an O-ring to change it. No, could be that we have to order one, but I'm 99% sure that this is the problem. Look how loose this is. There's no grip anymore, so the water is not making actually any pressure there, you know. So yeah. Yeah, so the O-ring should be something like this, but there's a significant difference in yeah, in the girth of the O-ring. This is way more thick than this one, you know. So if we put this one, yeah, no way. Maybe this one would be better, but no, this one is too small. So let's see what type of O-ring do we need. Yeah. For this, let's take a caliper. Again, if I can find it. Yeah, here it is. Here it says 26. Let's see how big this should be. Yeah. So power on, 0. So it's actually a 36 millimeters interior diameter. Yeah, so 36. We will have to search for the part number. Yeah. Oh, I didn't measure how thick should be here. So 4 millimeters. Yeah, so 36 interior diameter and 4 millimeter inside. Okay. Okay, so to be honest, I will try to order this O-ring. I will not make a third episode because it doesn't make sense for me. It's clear that this is the problem. Let me order it and continue. Okay, so whilst cleaning this piston and removing these 2 screws and just cleaning inside of this for coffee, hardened coffee, I decided to open up this brewing mechanism as well, because inside of here there are two O-rings, and I want to inspect also these O-rings for leakage. If this one looks like this, there is a high chance that also this one are defective. So for this, we have to remove two screws, one here and one over here, and two additional screws over here. So let's put it like so. And this part can be completely removed. So we'll put this aside as such. Well, this is really interesting. Is this broken? Maybe? Here? See, there's a good thing that I removed it. Yeah. So look how much gunk it is inside as well. Yeah. So let's completely clean this and see if this is broken, or is just on this side. I don't see any sign of being broken, but yeah, maybe only the upper layer of the plastic is like so. Yeah. So let's take a look also on this O-rings. Maybe I have to order the entire set of O-rings, you know, so don't want to order them 2 times. So yeah, they also don't have any lubricant anymore, so that's that. Oh, look at this, how dirty this is. Oh my god. So this is a good thing that I open it up. Yeah. As far as I see, these are completely fine, but I think it should be a good idea to change them as well. There's a lot of coffee over here. Oops. Yeah, more or less they are okay, but I think I will order another set. So yeah, we will need to order these ones as well. Let's measure them. I'm sure they are part of a kit, because these are spare parts, but yeah, you don't know, maybe we need to find other solutions. These are also really thick, so I don't think my set will be okay. So the diameter, the interior diameter should be also 36. Okay. 35.7. Well, more or less 36. And how thick they are? 4 as well? What? What? Oh, so this is fine here, you see? Oh. Interesting. Okay, so actually we need... Yeah, but this is thicker. What's going on here? This is 4.5. You see? 4.6 actually. And these are 4. Yeah. So yeah, we will need to... So I will need to investigate on the internet and order this part, and then we can put everything back together. Okay. Okay, guys. So we are back 4 days later. The package has arrived with the O-rings. This is how they were shipped. 3 of them. As you can see, difference in color and difference in the quality. So we will change all of them. So first of all, let's put back here the O-rings. For this we will need some let's see if I can find it. Some type of grease. Okay, so I'm so sorry about this, but I cannot find the grease, the food grade grease that has to be put over here. For the sake of this video, I will put it without it, and when I will find it, I will put it afterwards. So we will take the new O-rings and put one of them over here, like so, and another one over here. Well, and this one has to come over here. Oh, let's remove this old one. Such. Okay, and put this new one over here, like so. Yeah. And now I think we can put back this part. Oop. So this goes in and out really hard, so we need to put some grease here, otherwise it cannot work. Also managed to okay, let me find it. Okay, so found it. Let's first of all clean everything over here. Yeah, and also inside over here there is some gunk. Then we can clean. Yeah, and let's put everything back together. Let's use the food grade grease to, yeah, put here like so, not so much. You can use some oil if you want. Yeah, like so. Well, and with this point over here, yeah, with this pin, has to go inside that small hole, like so. Yeah. Oops. Like so. And look now how easy it slides. Yeah. So it's really important to grease it up, yeah, because it has to come to be such so to be lubricated really well. Okay, and let's put also this part. Yeah. Like so. And this part over here. Yeah. Like so. Yeah. Okay. So this is done. We only have now to put here the screws. Yeah. the other one over here, and the other two ones here and here. And I think this is already done. Good. We put this aside, and now we are working on this one. Again, let's put some grease or oil. This also has to slide inside this infuser. So yeah. Okay, and let's clean here a little bit. Yeah. And now we can assemble back the machine. Yeah. So we have here everything that we disconnected before. First of all, we have to connect this one over here. So let's see how we will do this. Oh no, everything is oiled. Well, so I don't know if you can see, but what I'm doing over here, but as I said, I am connecting this part, this too. Have to wiggle it a little bit around and then put it here. Now here we have to connect this. Be sure you have the o-ring inside of this tube. Yeah, so put it like that. Then with a small plier, take the retainer like so and put it inside, but we have to also push this. Don't know if you can see what I'm doing here, but hopefully I'm also having to push this inside. Okay. So be careful not to do what I did. The retainer snapped and went to the 9th dimension. So now I will have to search for it. Super. Good. And now I have to put this one as well. This one comes here. Hopefully I can still remember where it went. Well, means so much. Let me search for the retainer. Okay, so we have to put this back here. For this, don't forget to put the small o-ring over here, otherwise you will have a big leak. Yeah. And this comes back here, this place. Yeah. Put it in position and then hook it over here. Then these connections for the switch, one over here and the other one which we marked with black and over here with black, but I don't think it has a polarity, so it doesn't mean the way it's put over here. First of all, let's screw these two screws over here so we can retain this better. Yeah. Okay. So we have one screw, one here. And the other one over here. Something is not quite right. Okay, now it's back in position. Let's take out the screws completely. Okay. Okay. And it has to slide in its place. So be careful to remove completely the screws. Otherwise you will have a hard time putting this part back in place. And we have to completely screw this part. Like so. Now, not wiggling around anymore. And we have to put this retainer, but first we have to put back this part. Like so. Oh. Let's see which are the two screws that have to be put there. In the meantime, I think we can put this in place. Since we found the retainer. Like so. Yeah. So two screws here and two over here. Okay. All Are these the ones? Huh? Nope. Is the one here maybe? Yeah, it fits. Yeah. And another one over here. And here we have to see exactly. I think these two were the ones. Okay, let's find the suitable bit. Okay. Like so. So everything looks to be in place. Now we have to put this retainer over here as it was with the two screws, special screws, yeah. And these ones need to be inserted over here. Let me show you exactly. Hope you can see what's there. Yeah, like so. So one is here. And the other one over here. Oh, come on. Like so. And now we can screw them on. We need a bigger bit. Okay, so we have everything in place now. This part here. I think here it was the place, but unfortunately now I have to remove everything to put it back, but yeah, doesn't matter at this point. Good. And now we have the piston done, everything back in place. we only have to put the casing in and then put back this this infuser, and yeah, we can test it. Okay, so in the meantime, I remember this small plastic part was actually from this position, so I put it back already. And now I'm going for the full assembly. I will not put it in this video because I don't want to make it any longer than it is already. But now when I want to put this nozzle over here, I remember that this has this problem, and took a look here and notice that this here is a part that had a previous how's it called, rubber ball, and this rubber ball made tension with this wall over here, and it was, yeah, going harder. So I will try to make a rubber ball. I will remove this part from here, and here we will try to insert, but to be honest, I don't know from what I should create this rubber ball other than this old o-ring. So let's use everything we have. Yeah? So let's see if we can get away with something like this. Yeah, maybe like so, creating a spring out of this seal, old seal. I know this is not the correct way, but yeah, to be honest, I don't have a rubber ball here in hand, and I think this will actually do for the moment. Yeah, look at it, looks like a rubber ball. Yeah, so if it looks like a rubber ball and acts like a rubber ball, then it should be a rubber ball. Yeah, so let's put it here, and look at this. Huh? Now it stays in the position. Huh? Yeah. Okay, so this comes here, and we have to insert this hose inside of this tube. Now it's a little bit difficult to reach it, but I think we can manage it somehow. Yeah. Like so. I think we are fine at this point, and this has to sit over here. So yeah, let's put everything back together and then for the final result. Okay, so everything is now back in place, completely assembled. We can test it. The infuser is already in place. The water tray, the water tank, so everything is in place. Let's power it on. Self-diagnostic. I don't know if you can see. You can see the display? No? power it on. Well, I don't have any beans in order to test a coffee, but you remember no water was coming out of here. Now also this is really smooth. Oh, so you can see already water is coming through the where it should be. It's rinsing. So yeah, you can hear the motor, which is really old. This has to be changed at some point, and the unit requires descaling, but this can be easily done with some descaling solution. But at least we don't have leakage anymore. So as you can see, it's dry over here, no more water. So the problem with this unit was actually the O-rings, which were really old, as you saw. Yeah, look at this. The O-rings were like this. Yeah, it cannot be. As far as I understood from the owner, this unit has already more than 9 years, so it's really old and had a lot of coffee done already. So yeah, I'm glad we managed to make it work again. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing. I'm almost at 10,000 subscribers, so thank you all for this. Please help me reach this milestone. It's really important for me. So again, if you have any questions, please put them in the comment section below. I will gladly respond to your questions. And as always, see you in the next one. Bye-bye.